Last year, we kicked off Interrupt by talking about how building agents was hard. It was easy to build a prototype, but it was hard to get to production. There was a lot of challenges that you encountered along the way. And over the past year, we've seen that a number of companies, including a lot that are speaking here today, have figured out how to overcome those hurdles and bring agents into production. Everything that we do at LangChain, we want to figure out what the agents of the future look like, and we want to build all the tools to help make them a reality. We think a lot about what this lifecycle looks like and how we can help that.
Agent traces are at the center of the agent development lifecycle. LangSmith performance is not only important for human UX, but also agent UX. And it's a huge hit to have your agents slowed down by inefficient tools.
You understand your enterprise better than any outside vendor. It also creates an opportunity for how do you go and bridge these agents and this technology into your organization. Incredibly exciting time to be doing anything with AI right now.
So SmithDB sets a really, really strong technical foundation for everything that we want to build into LangSmith.
Today, we launched SmithDB as a foundational database to power all of this. And we built LangSmith Engine as an agent that sits on top and helps you spin this flywheel faster and faster. More than just a platform, we also want to be a partner to everyone in this room, in the community, in the entire space. And that's why we're really thrilled about Interrupt in general. This is an opportunity to interrupt your day and take a pause and learn from us, but also other presenters and other partners in the ecosystem and other companies and other people that you're sitting next to. We're building the entire platform for the agent development lifecycle.